If you own a car, you should know that protecting yourself with a car insurance policy is something you absolutely should not miss. You should not make wrong decisions just like most of the people out there. Those people often think that they should try to save their money by reducing their expenses as hard as they can. Now, if you ask them their reason, they will tell you that it is today's difficult economic conditions. Well, even though there is actually nothing wrong with trying to reduce their expenses, those people should know when it is time they need to spend their money on something that will actually save even more of their money. Yes, that's right. Having a car insurance policy will save those people even more of their money when unexpected things, such as a car crash, happens. After all, there are things you can do to lower your car insurance rates. To start it off, you can try to obtain quotes from as many car insurance service providers as possible. With the quotes in your hands, you will be able to make comparisons on each of them. This way, you will find out the best deal that you can possibly get. The next thing you can do is to take driving lessons. It is important to note that most car insurers will be glad enough to insure you with pretty low rates if they see you take driving lessons. This is possible because they assume you are not quite likely to be a dangerous driver on the road. That's the point of taking driving lessons after all, isn't it? Driving lessons train you in such a way so that when you have successfully completed the lessons, you will know and be able to carry out a good and reasonable driving method into practice. Fortunately, the tips do not stop at that point. In order to lower your car insurance rates, it is wise for you to refrain from buying a fast or, even worse, a sports car. If you want to find out why, the answer is quite straightforward. With a fast car, you have the ability to run faster on the road and you might get tempted to try it. As a result, you might endanger not only yourself but also other people on the road, whether they are pedestrians or other drivers. Unfortunately for the insurers, they will have to take out a huge pile of money to get things fixed if such a thing takes place. So, in short, you will be better off buying an average car that does not travel at pretty high speeds, as such a car is considerably safer than a fast one. There is yet another thing you can do. If you think you might need to sign up for a car insurance policy with a different insurer in the future, it is recommended that you always try to drive safely on the road. This way, you will have better chances of getting protected with a lower car insurance rates. For your information, most insurers will be happy enough to deal with a driver whose driving record is free of such things as car crashes or other sorts of accidents. As a result, they will offer lower car insurance rates. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.